Hi everyone, Mike Simmons here from the Technology Department, and today we're going to talk about how to link your Duo to Microsoft Authenticator. And you might ask yourself, why would you want to do that? It's because if you need to work away from work, what will happen is when you try to use your email, like Outlook, it will pull up Authenticator by default. So let's jump on in. I'll show you how to fix it. No problem. So pull up a web browser, and we're going to head over to the web page mysignins.microsoft.com. Again, that's mysignins.microsoft.com. Once you pull up that page, it will ask you for your username. So you'll simply type in your username at forsythk12.org. And then once you type in your username, it will pull up our ADFS splash page, and then just simply sign in from there. Once you're signed in, it should look like this. It'll have the Forsyth County Schools logo. It says My Sign-Ins. It has your account. On the left-hand side, we're going to select Security Info. And right now, I'm able to sign in because the only security info I have with Microsoft is my username and my password. Now, if that's different, you may need to open a ticket with your site technician or ETC, and we can go ahead and get that fixed and just remove any erroneous sign-in methods that you may have. So once you're signed in, we're going to hit Add Sign-In Method, and there's different options. The one we want to do is External Authentication Methods, External Auth Methods. And it's by default going to pull up Cisco Duo. And that's because that's what we've signed up for. That's what we have as part of our organization. So we're going to hit Next. Here it wants to verify my identity. This is where you may want to get your Duo mobile app handy on your phone, because it'll pull up a little green check mark that says approve or red for deny. So make sure we approve the Cisco Duo. Got my phone handy. You go ahead and approve, and then it says sign-in method added, green check mark. You can now use your sign-in to your account. Done. Simple as that. Now, whenever I try to pull up Outlook or something on my phone, it's going to reroute me to Cisco, or you may have an option that says use other sign-in methods and just select Cisco Duo, and you will be good to go. Let's go ahead and take a look at how do you do this, or how do you set that up if you don't have your computer handy. Let's show you how to do it from the phone. Okay, so for this example, I tapped on Microsoft Outlook to check my email, and it's having me sign in. And here it's going to have me tap Next. And instead of pulling up Duo, what it's doing is it's talking with Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator. And it's kind of a strange message that you get. So when you're out of the building, you're at home, it says to set up a different way to sign in. So we tap on that, and once you set up a different way to sign in, we're going to hit Next. And you don't need another app, you just need a different way to sign in. So once we tap on different way to sign in, Next, you want to select the second option, which is External Authentication Methods. And so that second method right there, External Authentication Methods, that's going to pull us over to Duo. And so this is what it looks like. So it says you'll use Cisco Duo to sign in. We're going to select Next. And then now we need to approve it with Cisco Duo. So now it's going to redirect us to Cisco Duo. And so here, it just kind of pulls up an authentication. And then I'm going to select Verify the Identity, pull that down, tap Approve. Say yes, it's my device, and that'll show success, green check mark. Good. All right, now it's going back to the Outlook app, and it says sign-in method's been added. So all I have to do is hit done, and that's it. That's all there is to it, and that'll make it a lot easier to access your email. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.